There's something magical about the fall season, when the air turns crisp and the colour palette turns to amber and gold. It's time to explore and connect both with nature. There's something timeless about a custom vintage Defender by E.C.D Automotive Design that complements the nostalgia of fall. The rich, earthy aroma of fallen leaves, the crisp air, and the sound of gravel under the rugged tyres. All evoke memories of simpler times. In a classic E.C.D Defender, you feel connected to those bygone days, whilst surrounded by the finest modern comforts. It's more than a drive, it's a journey back to the past, a reminder of the adventures that shaped us, a symbol of craftsmanship built to last. Whether you're cruising along tree-lined roads or venturing into the woods, every drive is pure comfort. Inside the E.C.D Defender, the essence of fall is amplified by every detail of luxury and comfort. The heated leather seats, handcrafted from the finest materials. Whether you're sipping a hot drink, enjoying the nostalgic scent of leather, or simply relaxing in the quiet elegance of the cabin, the Defender provides a sanctuary of comfort as the beauty of fall unfolds around you. With E.C.D's bespoke engineering, no trail is too tough. The Defender thrives where others dare not tread. Fall isn't just about watching the change of seasons, it's about embracing it. In a world that moves so fast, sometimes we need to slow down, take it all in, and appreciate the beauty around us. Whether you're chasing sunsets, gathering with loved ones, or seeking moments of solitude, the E.C.D Defender is more than a vehicle, it's your companion for life's greatest journey. This fall, discover the road less travelled, discover the beauty of adventure, discover it all in your E.C.D Custom Defender.